We'll guide you through how to buy Steam games. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Steam. So while there are some free games on Steam, there are also paid games, which are going to require purchasing and buying them. So I'm going to guide you through how you can go about buying a Steam game. So at the moment, we're in the Steam app, as you can see. So this is the desktop app. We've got guides on how you can download and install this on your computer. Now, what you can do is you can come to the top left and go and click on Store, and you can start browsing through the different games. What you can do is go and search for something specific at the top. Otherwise, you can scroll through here and start browsing through the different games. You can often go and find there are different deals on and other things as well. For example, you could go and check out some specials. So let's go and say I wanted to go and get this game here. You can see the price over to the right. We can then go and click on it. Now, what you can do is you can scroll down and you're going to go and see the different options here. Often there may be bundles or other things you can go and get. So you can go and choose what you want. In this case, I just want to go and get the base here, which is 75% off, which is pretty good. So what we can then do is go and press add to cart over to the right. Then it's been added to the cart and you can go and press view my cart. Now I've actually already got something else in here. So what I'm going to do is just go and remove that for now. And we've got this here. So then what we can do is go and press continue to payment. You can then choose the payment method. So you've got PayPal, you've got Klarna, PaySafeCard, Visa, MasterCard, JCB, Skrill, and Trustly. I'll go and use PayPal. I find it easier, but you can enter in your card details as well. Then what you can do is go and press continue, and you can go and press PayPal, or you can enter in your card details. I've selected my method here, and I'll go and press complete purchase. And as you can see, we've now gone and got it selected here. Make sure you agree to this Steam subscriber agreement. I've read this before I do. Confirm the price, and we can then go and press purchase at the bottom. We can then go and download and install it by pressing library at the top. As you can see, here it is. I can then press install. Leave a like if you found this useful.